What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, what I want to talk to you about in this video is kind of the questions that I've been getting, honestly, since I started investing into crypto, since I started making videos about cryptocurrency. It's always like, what's next on your list? You know, I have a well-established portfolio. You know that I consistently try and make investments, and I try to buy at low points. And I think where we are today isn't necessarily the lowest point for a Bitcoin, but it is a lowish point for a lot of cryptocurrencies that I even have in my portfolio. Because many things that I'm holding, I'm down on. Even though we've seen all that movement for Bitcoin and some movement for BNB and some others, many positions that I'm holding now are not positive. And the reason why they're not positive is because altcoins didn't move at the level that we expected to see as of late, right? We expected to see an altcoin season already has happened, but it hasn't. We expected to see, AVAX in the level of $50 and $100 and further than that. XRP at much higher levels than where it currently stands, BNB at the levels that it was previously, if not higher, and many others, right? So without seeing those levels of increases, we're seeing negativity, right? We're seeing that negativity there. And many people in comments and in real life are asking me the same question. Hey, if you made money from cryptocurrency and, you invested into this and this and this, I know this may not be where you're looking for that next like huge gain there, whatever this position is, right? The position that's in front of them. So their question is, what's next? What's your next investment that you're going to make? And I have to be honest with you, I don't have any plans on making any more investments at these low levels. I don't have capital right now, especially with taxes that are literally right around the corner. So this is maybe a unique situation to me, but I don't have anything that's next on my list. I can make a list on what I would invest into. However, you still don't have the same mindset that I have. So investing into that play, you may not be able to experience the level of gain short term, long term, ultra long term, or even have the patience to hold out for something that you may not understand. So, to answer those questions, I'm done buying cryptocurrency. I'm done buying anything new. I'm going to see out a lot of the gains that I'm going to get, and I'm going to talk about that within this video. So, if you guys could, if you can hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you could check out some of the links that are down below, it does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter and follow me on Patreon, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for BTCC in the comment section or in the description below. This is a great platform to where you can utilize this platform to trade up to a 500x leverage. If you specifically use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can demo trade if you wanted to, like I'm using the platform here for a link trade, for an AVAX trade, and I'm up 73% or 65% on. So you have the ability to make these lower leverage trades, higher leverage trades, as well as just test out the market with demo trading and test out your strategy. So feel free to check it out. Link is down there in the description, and you guys can get started today. Now, I know this is maybe tough to talk about for many because they don't like to talk about their finances. They don't like to talk about money and where they're investing things at. But I get these questions all the time. Matt, what's the next play that you have set to buy? What was your latest purchase? And my latest purchase may shock them because they're thinking that I'm making purchases every single day, that I'm buying new cryptocurrency every time I wake up. And I'm not, right? I have my set cryptocurrencies that I have. And if I do spot something, then typically I would research it and make that investment. However, it's been a while since I have made an investment like that, since I've made a move like that, because I'm not looking to purchase anything new right now. Now, I'll tell you this. as you are getting started in your investment journey, this would honestly be the time for a lot of altcoins to then start your investment journey on, right? To start buying these cryptocurrencies. Buying an AVAX at a $10 price point, or buying a Terra Luna Classic at a $214 million market cap, or whatever, right? You have the opportunity to succeed in a shorter term with buying at these low levels. Because currently, the overall crypto market cap is sitting at a $2.4 trillion market cap. If I go to top cryptocurrencies, you have Bitcoin that's sitting at a $1.4 trillion market cap. Ethereum that's at a $260 million market cap. You have XRP that's below a $100 billion market cap, while it, recently, I'll say pretty recently, was up in the $200 billion range. BNB was over $100 billion, approaching the $200 billion range for market cap. It's sitting at a $637 price point, while this was just at a $1,300, $1,400 level. So for you guys, for newer investors, this may be an opportunity. If you have, let's say if you have the same income no matter what the market is doing, this may be your time to find a great investment at a low level. XRP at $1.41, I think is a great price. My current cost basis is $1.22. That's not too far off, and I believe in it much further than that. A BNB, again, at a level of $600, great level to be at. If you wanted to look at meme coins and see some more shorter term, right? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and those, right? Litecoin at a $55 price point, steal. AVAX at a less than $10 price point, steal. HBAR at a less than 10-cent price point, it's a steal. So there's so much opportunity there, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm done buying any new cryptocurrency for the time being until we see altcoin season truly happen and truly materialize. I'm not looking to buy any new cryptocurrency. My main source of wherever I'm trying to put my investment funds is going into ultra long term, right? Not ultra long term crypto, but ultra long term stocks and retirement. That's where that's going. Anything extra is going towards that. Now, after we see taxes, and in April, after we see that, we see May and everything, and we see things hopefully blow up after tax season. That's where we can start to see some of that short-term profit turnover. Hopefully. However, I'm not impatient, right? I have it set for a long-term, ultra long-term, forever cryptocurrencies that I do hold. So I want to know what your opinion is. Are you still buying at these stages? And if you are, I'm not going to be upset with you. I don't think anybody should, because you're at low prices for a lot of these altcoins, and you have a lot of opportunity right in front of you. So I want to know in the comment section below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.